How to unlink Activision account from Facebook. Full tutorial. First, let's open your Facebook on your device. Next, click your profile below. Then go to settings right here. Scroll down until you find your activity. After that, click on apps and websites. On this page, you can see all the apps and websites you connect on your Facebook. Here, you should see Call of Duty Mobile. After that, you can now remove your CODM by clicking remove. On this prompt, check this box over here and click remove once again, and there you go. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.